Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have chosen a very beautiful topic, which is art of gratitude. Now coming to the word gratitude, let me define the word gratitude. Gratitude is basically showing, giving your thanks to the universe or appreciating what you really have. So life is very challenging and very tough nowadays, and we are always in that mode of complaining, and we are tend to focus on the things which we don't have. And with that attitude, we always tend to attract the things which we really don't want instead of the things which we have desired for. So gratitude is that one feeling or is that one emotion which can help us in getting the life which we always have desired for. So now you must be thinking, what, I don't have anything in my life to be grateful for. Like, I don't have a perfect relationship, I don't have a perfect money in my bank, I don't have a perfect health. So what shall I be grateful for? Whenever you are having this question, just think whether I am able to breathe. Yes. Whether I am able to eat and drink healthy food and water. Yes. Whether I have a roof on my head. Probably yes. Whether I have wonderful friends and family, probably one or two people in my life who actually care for me. So I mean, these are the things which many people don't have. So nowadays we all have big goals in our life. There are a lot of targets we need to achieve. It is good to have goals and it is good to have targets in our life, but there is one thing which we should not forget, that is to celebrate the small moments of successes which we are getting every day. So in this way, we will be able to celebrate each and every moment, and we will be always in a state of bliss. So how can we really practice the art of gratitude? So one thing which I have recently started, I have started writing whatever things are happening good in my life in a journal. So journal can be anything. It can be a diary, or you can use your mobile phone to write whatever things you feel good in the entire day. So now either you can write it once in a day, or maybe whenever you are feeling good or happy or positive about a certain event, you can write. So another thing which you can do is, before going to bed, just think and recollect that what are the beautiful moments or what are the good things which happened in the entire day. And thus by practicing this, you are actually giving your subconscious mind a positive feeling, a happy feeling, and this will actually attract more happiness and more joy in your life. If you want to attract more happiness and more prosperity in your life, just type in the comment section, I am grateful to the universe. So I think if you start practicing and if you start writing the moment of good things and moment of positive things in your life, and try to acknowledge whatever is happening, you will see positive results, and thus you can have a more fulfilling and prosperous life. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope to see you very soon, and for now, bye bye.